And here, this is the all-natural organic turkey sausage cooking. I think it's flavored with peppers, Italian seasoning, and tomatoes. That we got at Harris Teeter on sale, which we bought plenty of. They have like 7 different flavors, and they're all really awesome. But this is going to be part of the turkey sausage Alfredo, which is going to be the turkey sausage cut into tiny little cubes we're going to do this time instead of slices, and some spaghetti and some Alfredo sauce and a whole lot of seasoning. Peace out, people. This is the spaghetti cooking, which is just regular spaghetti that we're using for the turkey sausage Alfredo. This is Isis cutting some of the fresh garlic. But this is one thing that takes a bit, to getting the husk off the garlic and having to cut it up in little pieces. But it tastes much better than the, powdered stuff you get and whatnot, or even the dehydrated chunks, as it is still fresh. And these are the sausage cooking for the turkey sausage Alfredo with pasta. And it's also going to have peas, which we almost forgot, even though we got like 3 pounds of frozen peas, so we definitely have to use some. These are the frozen peas we're cooking for the turkey sausage Alfredo with peas and pasta all mixed together with a bunch of fresh garlic and Italian. And these are the peas, mushrooms, and the garlic being cooked together for the chicken sausage and spaghetti Alfredo. I said it's just peas, mushrooms, which I cut up into small pieces because they were actually huge slices of mushrooms, and some fresh garlic. Peace out, people. Here's Isis cutting the sausage into little pieces to mix into the turkey. I don't remember if it was turkey or chicken sausage, this one at this point. They're both good, but this is the Italian one that has sweet Italian peppers, Italian seasoning, and little pieces of tomato into it. But this is Isis cutting it into pieces, because this would be enough for both of us to eat 3 times between all this at least. And that's some of the zappolis where we left off in them, which were actually quite delicious. This is the finished chicken sausage Alfredo. Like I said, it's Italian chicken sausage. That's all natural. It's spaghetti, mushrooms, peas, fresh garlic. Now, it's a 4-cheese Alfredo sauce, something new we bought. I know it's Parmesan and Regano cheese. I don't remember what the other 2 were. And then it just has a tiny bit of ginger, a ton of Italian seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, a little black pepper, some basil on top of the Italian seasoning, give it more flavor, and I'm pretty sure that's about it. And we put some extra Parmesan cheese and soy milk in it to thicken it. Peace out. Have a good day.